Hello guys, what's up? This is More the Crazy Guy here. This is my own YouTube channel. And this is another episode of MOReaction. And today I'm gonna react to Monkey Wrench Episode 3, Us and Them. Y'all remember I reacted to the first and second episode of this series? I thought it was really good. I've been waiting patiently for the next episode to come out. I've been waiting for over half a year for this. I'm really curious to see what the next adventures of Sanchez and Beebs are going to be. Hopefully in this episode we'll get to know more about the world they're living at. I personally have high hopes for this series. I even thought of myself of an idea for an episode. The creators of the series, if you're listening, then this is for you. Y'all remember how in the last episode all the Lighthawks got killed because of that doctor that tricked them? I don't remember her name. Well, how about making an episode where somehow they're able to bring all the Lighthawks back to life? That would be nice, don't you think? If this episode talks about that, just remember I called it. But anyway, I'm really curious to see what this one is gonna be about. Well, let's watch. By Newgrounds, of course. Starting off with chaos. How nice. They're all gonna die 2 hours earlier. So it's one of those episodes. It's that cartoon that Sanchez likes.
Damn it.
I'm trying to watch my thing.
And I'm trying to play. You got a screen in your room, watch it in there.
But I'm driving.
It's not safe like that.
Cruise control better than yours.
Give it here. I'll show you how a master does it.
Let's see. I knew it. He's not really good.
I taught you already?
Stupid thing's too big for me.
Just like that.
Yeah? Well, I warmed it up for you. I'll keep it down. Showtime.
This episode is gonna be a long one. It's 30 minutes long.
Are we cut out for this life?
What?
Just can't stop thinking about what happened to the Lighthawks. That poor little
There, you see? I knew it. There was gonna be something about that.
Stupid job, and he'll keep on going. Just look at me. I done that fine. You can't get hung up on that stuff, amigo. You know? Can't have regrets.
Don't you have that voice inside that tells you right from wrong?
Right, wrong, whatever. Just no regrets.
Are they gonna bring them back to life?
Dropping off the crate for the law guys?
No rule. Don't take any jobs from anyone who even looks like law. Bunch of jerks.
And what does that make you?
An ex-jerk.
I'd say you're very much still active.
Nah.
You really should return that, suit? What is that sound?
I don't know.
Sorry, I don't talk much. I'm just really curious to see what's gonna happen.
Do things by itself? That's a distress call.
Oh, a de-dress call?
De-stress. Somebody's calling for help.
Oh,
Time for a new adventure.
Call.
We should check it out.
There could be some money in it for us.
That's not what I'm worried about. I'm sure the law guys won't mind if we...
No regrets.
Here we go. Oh, it's the cats.
No regrets? Mm-hmm.
Rick, we did send out another call.
Monkey Wrench, Episode 3.
Oh, please, my beloved primaries. Anyone but them.
You better start praying to me.
Now we're going to learn some more about the cat.
You need help? Scratch. Amigo.
No, everything's fine. We're trying out this new interior deco. It's really high-class stuff. You wouldn't get it. That's a feature.
They're clearly in danger.
Oh, then I guess we can be on our way. Adios!
All right.
How much to save your cool, Law?
Strike.
Now, you want to barter? Now? Oh, sure. Let me pull up a chair, put the coffee on, and get my damn notepad. You get them off my tail, then we'll talk. Moron!
Oh, no, gatito, gordito. I know you. We do this now.
Trinity, give me strength. What? No, not that. I could, offer you some of my fine wares at 10% off. Some, fresh Terran trinkets just came in from the quarantine zone.
What's gonna happen?
11%? That's the best I can do.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll call off your debt once you get us out of this mess.
Here we go. I wonder what happened between them that are like that. What depth?
What in the galaxy is that?
It's a giant mushroom.
It's going to be polvo espacial.
Before you do that, this is the TCF bucket of the Merc Group Monkey Wrench handling unknown vessel. Cease your assault and back away from the best, or we will be forced to intervene. That's odd.
Time up, shoot now.
We're not gonna survive this, are we?
Yeah.
Shoot them, not me!
Swinging around. Oh God.
Babes,
I got it. I did.
Stop hitting yourself.
screw this. I'll deal with it later.
Tear it off, huh?
I'll teach you to wreck my ship.
You did that one.
It made me.
What's happening now?
This is the TCF bucket.
Sound only again. Boom! Bullseye. It's still alive.
Yeah, you better run, Escoria.
Oh, gentlemen. Permission to come aboard?
Moving on. What is this? What's on his face? Is this how he survives in space?
I sold it to you, but I never imagined you somehow make it worse. Where's the finesse? The panache? The gravity.
Yeah.
They don't even have
Yeah,
a
they don't have gravity in
letterbox.
this spaceship.
You're right. We were better off dying.
Time to cough up, gato rata.
Whoa. Slow down there, cowboy. We ain't done yet.
What do you mean we ain't done?
Alright. I'll call off your debt once you get us out of this mess. As you can see, we are, quite frankly, still in this mess. Look at my ship!
Things finally got some character. Just limp yourself to the nearest ink station. We're done here.
Oh, no, we ain't. You guys are gonna tow us there.
I ain't towing Jack.
Recorded verbal contracts are legal with the UMB. Get us to a station, unless you want to lose your current standings on the leaderboard.
Both of them are assholes.
What's with him? You got his tongue or something?
You're one to talk. Can't understand half of what comes out of your gab.
You didn't saying anything.
It's true,
brotherly
it's not saying
connection
anything.
Only the closest of kin can share. Isn't that right, little bro? Oh,
Yeah.
you, such a kidder.
She's making us take him to...
I heard.
Finally, the brains of the operation. Give it to me straight, Doc. How is she?
Man, oh man. She's taking quite a beating.
Life support offline. Blue drive gone. Hull strength 7%. Oh lordy, these repairs.
Hopefully, this'll teach you to keep away from, whatever that was.
I'm surprised Mr. Red Suit over there hasn't told you about him. Those nasty customers are the Agari.
Agari?
They used to be normal, happy, prosperous even. Until the Terrans did, you know, what they did. The fallout changed them.
They're corrupted.
Now, they're mindless drones, seeking out life to consume. Spreading the Cataclysm's corruption wherever they go.
They're corruption, I said that. You see?
Law tries their best to keep them contained, but the QZ is profoundly vast. And they're
Wow,
beginning
that's
to
a
seep
lot.
out.
Out of the galaxy, that's a lot.
Because they wanted my sweet, sweet kitty innards. I imagine I'm quite the delicacy.
Gristle ain't a delicacy.
Neither is that glop you call food. Pizza. Blech.
Oh,
Doesn't
during
like
the cleanup,
pizza?
I found this.
Come on.
It was all I could recover.
I knew I don't like this cat.
Oh, goody. A little ray of sunshine.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Smells like death.
I don't smell anything.
It seems like something
You
bad's
don't
gonna
have a
happen.
nose.
Yeah.
What's in that?
Just some Terran antiques we scrounged up. Opened a pawn them off for a bit of cheddar.
Well, I don't want you two grubbing up the place any more than Shrike does. You're gonna have to hold out in here.
Those stains were already there when I moved in. Did you see Terran stuff?
Oh no. You had your chance, bucko.
Come on, I just want to look.
I might be feeling more generous. If you fetch Rich and I something to drink, we're parched.
Hey, nice, you two.
Yeah.
Oh, busboy. Don't forget the drinks now.
It'll be all worth it, because I swear, debt-free, and they're picking some rare Terran goodies.
Yeah, sure. You keep thinking that.
For now, nothing too special is happening so far. I have to admit, I expected
quit
more.
blazing about over there and help me scan this, will ya?
I knew it. There was something suspicious in that. And Beebs inhaled that. Nice transition, like in Dragon Ball Z.
Oh, shaggy boo. If you don't get my drink in the next 2 minutes, you can forget about looking at my goodies.
Why did he say it like that?
Don't have too much fun now.
Nice. Oh, that's why they show us he has a robot arm, because it's gonna get control too, like the arm of the spaceship.
This is the TCF bucket. May I ask who's calling?
May I ask who's calling?
Another thing to fix. It never ends. I know no one's out there, but care to listen to the plight of a fool? Mercenary life. Is this the right path for me? Please, give me a sign.
Are you there?
Here's the sign.
Who's out there? Man, I'm losing it. Maybe I should quit.
Wait, them is not them?
What are they saying?
And you hear me? Can you hear me now?
I am able to perceive you, but you are not them.
Them? You sound confused, buddy. Name's Bulldog. Bulldog Browns.
You
Bulldog
are
Browns.
separate, but can communicating with us. Bulldog. Bulldog has the feeling of them.
I don't understand what you mean by them. I'm just a mercenary.
Oh, question. What is mercenary?
What is that?
Hey, what do?
Well, a mercenary is someone who does a job for money, no questions asked.
Mm-hmm.
Though I'm starting to have a lot of questions.
Ooh, what is money? Will us need it?
Currency, you know, used to buy things.
Ooh, separates by things. Can us have thing?
Separate? You guys think as one, then?
Us and them were one, but something changed.
Shrike's not gonna believe this.
What is Shrike? Are another separate?
Shrike? He's my friend. Or something.
Ooh, friend. Us no friend. Us has friend them. Us trying to find them.
What happened?
Us and them had escaped Green Place, looking for purpose, until them was gone. Now alone, missing them.
Their names are us and them?
The Agari? That attacked Scratch?
Separates hurt us, hurt them.
What did Scratch do?
So now he's the bad guy, the cat?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoops, too late.
Tonto! You did that on purpose!
No peek for you. Ho ho! What's this?
Whoa.
Brother, I think this little nugget's gonna solve all our problems.
Wait, what is that?
Your services are no longer required. You may go now, slave.
Oh no.
And here are your drinks!
I'm not even gonna dignify that with a response. You infant!
I wanna see!
No, it's mine!
What's gonna happen once they open it? There, ripped to shreds. It's getting bigger.
Ain't supposed to do that.
The hell did you bring on my ship?
I thought I said play nice. The hell is going on?
It was him!
His eyes turned red. You saw that? It's the left arm. It's back.
Stop! You'll knock a hole in the bulkhead.
This is all I know!
So what now?
Grab hold.
Get to the exit. Before it's too late. Oh, shooting, of course, shooting the bottom can open it.
It ain't working.
It's still not working.
Don't push my buttons.
Fine.
Yeah, you pushed mine, And okay. Just like that. Why didn't he shoot them right away instead of trying to?
You wanna come clean?
I didn't do nothing.
So you did something.
How was I supposed to know that gunk was gonna do this? It was probably your ship that. Hey, I expect this kind of behavior from the Squid Boy, but not from you.
It's been a long day.
Those things started it.
Let's see what really
We're,
happened.
Sniffing around the QZ border. Pre-Cataclysm era. A great find. All of a sudden, these two fungal freaks came out of nowhere.
Us and them.
They kept making this insufferable noise. Getting closer and closer. I only fired a warning shot.
Oh.
But,
Oh no.
let's just say we left in a hurry. I just found out it's worth something, else I would have tossed it. Processed correctly, it could become an incredibly powerful aphrodisiac. Imagine going at it for hours.
Afro, what?
Forget I asked.
Popcorn.
Boys, where do you keep your sunscreen at?
Straight to the sun. And now we're back to the beginning. With all the chaos and panic. And all of a sudden we see that they can come out of this. It's protagonist armor.
My one regret. Ever helping you?
You came!
Nah.
Save us! We stopped?
I know what's not going to stop.
You got impeccable timing.
Ooh, it is us. Us is here to reclaim friend them. Are those separates your friend?
You could put it that way.
What's he playing honky tonk for? We're gonna die!
Us, tell me what you need.
Open yourself up so I can help them.
So all this corruption was actually them. The name them.
Separate Bulldog, you'll have to.
Damn it. Shrike, get over here. Those chords I taught you. Play them.
You expect me to remember them now?
Just do what you can.
Why?
Just trust me. Okay?
Okay.
We all saw that he was bad.
It's not working. I can't hear them.
Hear who?
You need to play to match the music. Have your hand like this on the fret.
You like this?
A little higher.
This?
Yes. Just keep playing that. Are you alright?
Bulldog, them sounds green. The song, it's all wrong. Us can't hear them anymore. Us is here now. Do you not remember?
Them doesn't remember us.
Go.
Them never let us go. Us and them formed together. Us and them left Green Place together. And now, us and them will.
So them is corrupted and us can take it, so
Strike.
You got it, amiga!
they're gonna save them now. Let me correct that. Save us and them. No, they just saved us.
Go on.
Oh, do I have to?
Yes, you have to.
Plan.
Say it.
I'm sorry. You made me accidentally shoot your friend.
He says he's sorry.
Us is sorry for.
Don't be. I've been there once or twice.
How are us to go on all on our own? Us is. I am afraid.
It can feel like that a lot, but you'll find your way.
Have you?
I'm getting there.
Them is gone, but still here.
In the
Will
heart.
Change hard, but us will try. Thank you, Bulldog.
Call me Beebs. All my friends do.
Thank you, friend Beebs. May we meet again.
We. Goodbye.
What do you mean the important thing is we survived?
How about that debt cancellation?
Guess I don't know me own strength. Looks like there's no evidence of the contract after all. Such a shame. You two adults best be on your way.
Actually,
That
while I was
asshole.
cleaning out the best, I wanted to keep tabs on you two.
Take that.
So, if you don't want your boss to ask why you dropped 2,500 ranks, I suggest you sign off on the contract, and we can be on our merry way.
Oh, you sly bastard. Wow, I ain't even mad.
Double flipping.
Ah, Scritch. Gotta love the fine print. They never specified which of their debts to cancel. Now, let's hope the boss doesn't cancel us.
Adelante.
Don't want to watch it on the bridge?
I thought I'd, just keep it in here. I don't want to annoy you when you're playing.
Yeah.
Come on, move over. So, what's happening?
Oh, well, El Bandito's amigo, Dos Pantalones, that's his caballo, took something from that duende. But Bandito thinks it's the other way around, so he's fighting him instead.
What's a duende?
Wait, if I'm here, and you're here, then who's flying the ship?
Cruise control?
Who's flying the
I
ship?
thought you said computers can't do things by themselves. Mm-hmm.
I told it to do that. She'll be at the drop-off point in an hour.
Ooh, that's at least 3 more El Bandito episodes. Well, unless, you want to show me some more guitar stuff?
After this job is over,
That's a ukulele.
put another one on. Should be smooth sailing from here on out.
Oh yeah, that box. What do they have there? Pleasure District? Oh god. Hey, it's her again.
interrupt your fun, man, but I have some thrilling news. We've finally tracked down the package. Take a guess who has it. Care for a spider revenge, my dear?
What's gonna happen in the next episode? To be continued. In another 6 months we'll probably get the answer to that. Hey, new plushies. Screech and Scratch. So that was the video. Look how much money is spent on animation. Yeah, animations are hard. A little more till the end. And it's over. You want my opinion about this episode? Well, I have to admit it wasn't as exciting as I expected it to be. Don't get me wrong, it was nice. I'm sure it has some build up to the next episodes or something like that. But in general, this episode was okay. I understand that writing and animations are hard, but forget I said anything, okay? Just forget I said anything. This video was funny and nice, and I like that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time on more reaction. Bye!